We are living in exciting times, where the boundaries of what is possible are constantly being pushed. Technology is advancing at an unprecedented pace, and leading the charge are two groundbreaking fields: artificial intelligence and brain-computer interfaces. These innovations are not just concepts of the future, they are becoming integral parts of our present. Artificial intelligence refers to the development of computer systems that can perform tasks requiring human intelligence, like learning, reasoning, and decision-making. These systems are designed to mimic human cognitive functions. Brain-computer interfaces create a direct communication pathway between the human brain and external devices. This technology allows for seamless interaction, enabling control of devices through mere thoughts. The implications of AI and BCIs are far-reaching, with the potential to transform industries and redefine human capabilities. They promise to revolutionize the way we live and work. From healthcare to transportation, these technologies promise a future that seems ripped from science fiction. Imagine a world where diseases are diagnosed instantly, and transportation is fully autonomous. But it's crucial to approach AI and BCIs with both excitement and careful consideration, weighing the potential benefits against the inherent risks. Ethical considerations and responsible development are key to ensuring these technologies serve humanity positively.
Artificial intelligence is no longer a futuristic fantasy. It has become a tangible reality that is transforming various aspects of our lives. It's already an integral part of our daily lives, seamlessly blending into our routines. From personalized recommendations on shopping websites that enhance our shopping experience, to AI in healthcare, developing new drugs, diagnosing diseases, and even predicting patient outcomes. Self-driving cars are now a reality thanks to AI algorithms that process vast amounts of data and make split-second decisions, ensuring safer and more efficient travel. In the financial industry, AI detects fraud, manages investments, and analyzes market trends with incredible accuracy, providing personalized financial advice that helps individuals and businesses make informed decisions. As AI research advances, we can expect even more innovative applications to emerge. From personalized education that adapts to each student's needs, to smart cities that optimize resources and improve quality of life, AI has the potential to address some of the world's most pressing challenges, including environmental conservation and disaster response, paving the way for a better tomorrow.
While AI replicates human intelligence in machines,